Hi everyone, this is Sally and I'm here to participate in Team Tom Tomination. Now Celestine has Tominated me, and I've had to drag myself from my sick bed, and I don't want you to catch the flu, so I'm wrapped up accordingly. I'm going to attempt to sing a song which starts with the word yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, I love you, but I gotta stay true. My morals got me on my knees. I'm begging, please stop playing games. I don't know what this is, 'cause you got me good, just like you knew you would. I don't know what you do, but you do it well, and I'm under your spell. You got me begging you for mercy. Why don't you release me? You got me begging you for mercy. Why don't you release me? I said release me. So, the last two words were release me. So, you could use release me or just